Wade and his neighbor Eric Johansson decide to...
Severe weather popping in the northeast and New England. Not only do we have a severe thunderstorm heading through New York City, but also a flash flood warning. And there was a flash flood emergency just south of Boston and north of Providence, Rhode Island. But that is now a flash flood warning where we did have significant amounts of rainfall, over 4 or 5 inches near and about the Norwood Hospital in Norfolk County, Massachusetts. That was causing about 4 feet of water in the basement of that hospital. And they did evacuate at one point. So very heavy rainfall now coming down Providence and Windham and Worcester counties. That's until 8:30. That is a flash flood warning here. We are right here on the border of Massachusetts and Rhode Island. And Providence down here probably going to get some heavy rainfall within the next hour or so if it hasn't started already. So very heavy rain coming down, and these storms really aren't moving all that quickly in a south to north direction, kind of staying stationary and training. So this is why around the Burrville area, North Smithfield and Woonsocket until 8:30, expect some very heavy rainfall with potential for flooding. Now the warning means that flooding is imminent or is occurring. And as we said, in Norfolk County, around the Norwood Hospital, we did have about 4 feet of water in the basement there and flooding, and some of the roads impassable. And also Washington Street flooded in Norfolk County. So very heavy rainfall. Luckily, that area up in here has seen less rain come in, but still heavy rainfall and a flash flood warning in effect here for Worcester County. That does include Northbridge, Uxbridge, and Milford until 8:30. So heavy rainfall bringing flooding there as we get down into New York State and the 5 boroughs near New York City. Starting to see some of these severe storms with wind and hail reports, and even some reports of some trees down. Bring some strong winds in and through New York City now.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area.
Thunderstorm warning now just issued. It does include New York City and North Bergen and Union City. And that storm heading out onto Nassau County on Long Island. So Nassau, Suffolk County next with very heavy rainfall. Luckily now the progressive, but winds possibly to 60 miles per hour here in and around New York City. Moving on through as we speak. May already be through, at least through Central Park. And you kind of see a little bit of a pink there showing up. There could be some hail, maybe 3/4 of an inch or larger as this storm continues to move on off toward the east at about 40 miles per hour. So a dangerous thunderstorm nonetheless, and severe storms do often have the capability of producing tornadoes, but it doesn't look like we've got that type of profile right now with these storms. But we can expect, as we'd said, some very heavy rainfall as this storm is moving on off toward the east. So if you are in the Bel Air, Valley Stream, East Rockaway, Hempstead, and the Merrick areas, you can expect some very heavy rainfall right now as this storm and this cluster continues to push out onto Long Island as we speak. Other than that, we just have the severe thunderstorm watch now, and they're kind of pecking away at it as this watch is in effect until 8 o'clock as the storms are ending further north and west back behind that main line that's come on through. So Ulster's out of it. All the Albany counties are out of it. Albany County and the surrounding ones.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area.
The Northeast and New England seeing this severe thunderstorm watch, which means the potential for more severe weather as we head on through this evening. So a dangerous night. The severe weather is spotty, but still dangerous. And as we head through this evening, we'll continue to keep you updated as necessary. We're now going to send you back to your regularly scheduled program.
It was very